Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA but MDC Karanikor constituency uba Pius Marwein mentakasngi kachpauterik jilio arhajar arpuhenrio ulayo ban plipat ba ya Ïing Skul ba Thymmai Jong Chibak government LP school. Yakni ka Ïing Skul Thymmai la pentrailing ba ka state scheme infrastructure upgrade project phase 3 hakamang pisa ka ba sau lak tingkatam. Hakani si le donlang USD SEO uba SS Lingkhoi lembat ki weipat ki officer. Haba jingkran uba Pius Marwein uliyat ho banado ba ujob ya ke election hakasnam arajar khatpra kumba ula kular ki pat ba ula persyang ban pendap ya ki surok ki skul ki jaka sumar boarding bat ki wei ki jingnon kam hakishnong ki thau.
Today on the 10th June 2026, along with SDO, Shri SS Lingkhoi, GE of Education Department, Pak Thymmai, Jong, along with headmen and the people of Chibak village, we have inaugurated this school building, government LP school.
I don't want to hurt that we cannot send our children because no building school. I don't want to hurt that there is no teacher. If these two things is not there, come complain with me. I used to tell, come complain with me. I'll be there. I'll be there. Two things I want to remind regarding this government school. When I won election in 2018, first thing they came in newspaper that in Domyaset there is the name of government school, but the government deny because there is uranium. They didn't give government school. Just I heard that just within 5 or 6 months, I put a scheme. Domyaset now just maybe household around 15 or 16 household, but government school is there, teachers is there. Secondly, there is a one again complaint that in Rondangai there is government school, no building, but no building. Everybody, our people know Rondangai now. The school is nearby the road only. Just after I heard that, see Rondangai, government school is there or not. In each and every village, tell me, regarding government school, I don't want to hurt that there is no building, there is no teachers, and there is no student. This is my promise. Because we know government school, especially we help for the poor people. Because I don't want to lose each and every children without education. Education is the most important. Our SDSEO now has reminded us. Education needed. We'll start education right from we are born in this world till the end, till the lifetime of our life. That is education needed in this modern world. Before, we used to remember to fight the war, to fight development, to fight anything means we have to take sword, we have to take weapons, arms. But now in this modern world, it's not like that. Now it's with education. To fight a war, to fight development, with education, that we can happen. Not that time that we have to take weapons again to fight development. It's not like that. To fight development is education. That's why I don't want to lose each and every student without education. We know now. If anything we needed, first of all, we have to ask certificate which class we have passed. Example, we apply driving license. Without class 8, now government did not give a license. without class 8. Now government did not give a license. There is a time. Even driver also maybe have to pass class 10, class 12. Because the world has changed. The world has changed. We go to hospital. If we are sick, we go to hospital. We have to know. We have to know because nowadays, if we take medicine also, we have to take which medicine means for good for us. If we go for farmer nowadays, why they give training? We cannot do farmer now just like before because totally changed. The environment has changed. The climate has changed. Everything has changed. Then we need education. The most means my first priority also the education, especially for our dear children. Even from government also, from our dear Honorable Chief Minister, from Education Chief Minister. We are so happy, especially in our constituency, that this government has seen the future. You see now, even in the subject also, they put Khasi and Garo subject. Now they start Khasi and Garo subject. Because now, what is it? What from the government try to this? Because language also is the most important. Language also is the most important. Even we are now in DSC exam. Even in Bagmara district, when you apply DSC there, even Khasi people have to know Garo. We apply in Tura, DSC.